This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials right. Connect both devices to the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi or plug the display into Ethernet to reduce wireless hops. Make sure you update system firmware and the CAS/mirroring app to avoid codec mismatches. Once done, turn off VPNs, battery savers, and unnecessary background syncing so CPU and network aren't throttled. This reduces packet loss and latency at the source and lets your mirroring app focus on real-time frames instead of retries. Next, you optimize the streaming path. Enable hardware acceleration in the app or OS so encoding/decoding uses the GPU, which cuts CPU delay. Choose a low-latency codec like Baseline H, 264, and set the resolution to 720p or enable adaptive bitrate so frames pass quickly under congestion. Then, open your router and apply CoS to prioritize the mirror source IP or port. This prevents other traffic from starving your stream and keeps latency consistently low during peak network use. To finish, initiate the mirrored session and watch for frame drops or rising ping. A stable sub-50 ms is ideal for interactive tasks. If you see lag, immediately switch to wired Ethernet or reduce bitrate and resolution. These changes typically remove buffering. Make sure both devices are close to the router with minimal interference. If problems persist, reboot the router and devices, and as a last resort, use a direct HDMI cable. This eliminates wireless variables and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.